The all-new 9th generation Toyota Hilux is now here in Malaysia, but unlike what you might be thinking, this year will only be available as a full EV at launch for now. Here are the 5 things that you need to know about it, and if you're interested, book one through us to find the best deals in town, including some triple goodies as well. More on this at the end of the video. Now, people always say there are only so many ways that you can design a pickup truck, but I think Toyota has truly proven them wrong with this all-new 9th generation model. They even have a design language for this pickup truck, and it's called the Cyber Sumo, and I think that really encapsulates everything that they're trying to do with this car over here. First of all, you've got this very muscular stance like a Japanese sumo fighter, with these hexagonal skid plate elements, the white hexagonal fenders, and also the Toyota script both front and at the back, giving this car a very strong stance on the road. But at the same time, you've also got a lot of all these modern touches like the slim LED lighting, the closed-off front grille, and also the C-shaped taillights at the back, all making this look like a pickup truck from the future. You have 17-inch wheels as standard with this very aerodynamic design, and all the way at the back here, I think this tailgate also looks especially nice with this built-in spoiler at the top. But one of the most useful features of the exterior design is actually right here, with this Ford Ranger-inspired side steps that makes it so much easier to get into your truck bed. Now, despite this being fully electric, the all-new Hilux BEV is actually still built on the same IML platform as before. But as you expect, it's been significantly re-engineered to not only fit an electric powertrain, but also been given a lot of structural improvements, including what they call a dynamic cloud suspension system that has significantly improved the ride and handling of this pickup truck. And just to make it drive more like a normal car, they've also fitted this car with an electric power steering system, so you don't have to steer a pickup truck something like this anymore. The Hilux BEV has a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, making a total of 196 horsepower. But the rear motors are actually a little bit more powerful at 267 Nm compared to 206 Nm in the front over here. Now, both of these motors are powered by a 59.2 kWh lithium-ion battery, giving it about 240 km of driving range based on the WLTP test cycle. Now, to charge, the Hilux BEV will take 150 kilowatts of DC power, taking around 30 minutes to go from 10 to 80%. As for AC charging, it'll take a 10 kilowatt AC charger at home, taking around 6.5 hours to go from 10 to 100%. Now, even with its electric unit, this is still a Hilux, so of course it means it still needs to be able to travel the rougher terrain and also carry heavier items here at the back. So that's why it still has the approach and departure angles comparable to other double cab Hiluxes. It still has 700mm of maximum water wading depth, and even the wheels here also still has 500mm of articulation for when you are properly going off-roads. Even this 750 kilograms of payload capacity is roughly comparable to the other double cab Hilux as well. And this Hilux BEV is also the first Toyota EV to come with the multi-terrain select system, with different drive modes for all of your off-road conditions, including bumpy surfaces, your rocks, sand, mud, all of this to adapt the powertrain to fit your driving needs. Now, I think if you just show me this interior, I would have told you that this is from an SUV and not a pickup truck, because this is just a very nice place to be in with a very stylish design, but still very rugged, very robust feeling build quality. And it also still has everything that you expect from a Hilux, including the storage cubby here on the dashboard, as well as my favorite, the cup holders here in front of the air vents. This 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment display here sits very proudly here on the dashboard, and the driver also gets a separate 12.3-inch instrument panel behind the steering wheel. Now, down here there's a hexagonal panel over here that houses your air vents and also your physical climate control buttons. And all the way down here on this slanted panel is your driving settings like your drive mode selector, as well as your hill descent control over here. And if you're driving a normal Hilux in the future, here is also where you'll find your axle locks and your low range transfer button. In a vein of making it feel more like a normal passenger car, Toyota has given the Hilux BEV a lot of nice luxuries in the interior, including your combination leather upholstery. The driver gets a 10-way power adjustable front seat. There's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android connectivity, dual zone climate control system, a wireless charging pad down here, and even the gear shifter over here is shift by wire. And in fact, this is even the first Toyota model here in Malaysia to get the enhanced Toyota remote feature that gives you access to remote locking, start-stop, and even climate control functions wherever you have your mobile phone. The Hilux BEV is now here in Malaysia and is priced from 226,000 ringgit, which includes a 5-year or 150,000 kilometers warranty, but the battery also gets a separate 8-year or unlimited mileage warranty, which you can extend all the way up to 10 years. Now, if you're interested in getting one, why not book one through us through AutoBuzz.my/grab-a-deal, because you might just find the best deal in town, and we'll also throw in some additional Trepo goodies as well, like their dash cams, their floor mats, and even PPF. Now, learn more in the link in the description box below, but if you need more info on the Hilux BEV, as always, head on over to AutoBuzz.my.